Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is another name for a canine tooth? Is it A. Cuspid, B. Premolar, C. Incisor, or D. Molar? The answer is A. Cuspid.
Did you know that the term cuspid comes from the Latin word cuspis, which means point or spear? This is fitting as canine teeth are known for their sharp, pointed shape that resembles a spearhead. So, next time you flash your canines in a smile, remember they're also called cuspids.
Question 2. What chemical has the formula Fe2O3? Is it A. Calcium sulfate dihydrate, B. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, C. Iron oxide, or D. Potassium hydrogen tartrate? The answer is C. Iron oxide.
Iron oxide, with the chemical formula Fe2O3, is not only responsible for the iconic red color of Mars' surface but also plays a crucial role in everyday life. It is commonly used as a pigment in paints, cosmetics, and even in polishing agents for jewelry. Iron oxide's versatility extends beyond its scientific properties to influence various industries worldwide.
Question 3. As what is the North Star also known? Is it A. Yamaha, B. Polaris, C. Canis Majoris, or D. Sirius? The answer is B. Polaris.
Polaris, the North Star, is not just a guiding light in the night sky, it's also part of a celestial dance. Due to Earth's axial precession, Polaris won't always be the North Star. In around 12,000 years, another star named Gamma Cephei will take its place as our guiding beacon in the northern sky.
Question 4. Which networking protocol is used to transfer files between two computers? Is it A. HTTP, B. SSH, C. FTP, or D. SMTP? The answer is C. FTP.
Did you know that the File Transfer Protocol, FTP, was developed in the early 1970s by Abhay Bhushan while he was a student at MIT? It was one of the first protocols to allow for easy file sharing between computers over a network, revolutionizing how data is transferred and accessed globally.
Question 5. In experiments, what is the name of the group that does not receive the treatment? Is it A. Control, B. Test, C. Base, or D. Experimental? The answer is A. Control.
In psychology experiments, the control group serves as the benchmark for comparison against the group receiving the treatment. Interestingly, the term control originated from agricultural practices where a controlled environment was used to study plant growth. This concept was later adapted to scientific research, highlighting its roots in farming techniques.
Question 6. Named for its steely blue color, which fish has a steelhead variety? Is it A. Bass, B. Salmon, C. Trout, or D. Tuna? The answer is C. Trout.
The steelhead trout is a fascinating fish that can adapt to both freshwater and saltwater environments. What makes them truly unique is their ability to migrate long distances, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles upstream to spawn. This remarkable journey showcases the steelhead's strength and resilience in the face of challenging conditions.
Question 7. What is the name of the largest asteroid in the solar system? Is it A. Ceres, B. Pallas, C. Vesta, or D. Hygeia? The answer is A. Ceres.
Ceres, the largest asteroid in the solar system, was initially classified as a planet when it was discovered in 1801. It orbited the Sun for nearly 50 years before being reclassified as an asteroid due to its size and location within the asteroid belt. Ceres is also considered a dwarf planet.
Question 8. Which of these can cause a thunderstorm? Is it A. Earthquakes, B. Clouds at high altitudes, C. Warm air moving up fast, or D. Ozone touching cloud? The answer is C. Warm air moving up fast.
Warm air moving up fast can cause a thunderstorm due to the rapid ascent of the warm air, creating instability in the atmosphere. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses, forming cumulonimbus clouds that can lead to lightning, thunder, and heavy rainfall. This dynamic process is essential for the development of intense thunderstorms.
And that concludes our journey through the cosmos of science and nature. Remember, even the smallest atom can make a big impact. Stay curious, quiz enthusiasts. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.